Today we're gonna do another Amazon must-haves, y'all. I love these type of videos. If you are a mother, if you a wife, if you anybody, you could be a man. You could be a man because the men's clean up too. Anybody that like to keep a tidy, clean house, this is the video for you. So keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I know, but I'm back. I am back. Today we're gonna do another Amazon must-haves, y'all. I love these type of videos. If you are a mother, if you a wife, if you anybody, you could be a man. You could be a man because the men's clean up too. Anybody that's like to keep a tidy, clean house, this is the video for you. So keep on watching. All right, guys, we're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna start off with laundry. If anybody out there dread laundry day as much as I do, comment down below. I hate doing laundry. I really hate it. I don't so much hate is washing as I do folding the laundry, okay? But yeah, we're gonna start off with laundry. So I don't know about you guys, but I like my sheets white. I sleep on crisp white sheets. You know, if you want that hotel vibe, that nice luxury feel, get you some white sheets. I mean, it's a game changer. But in order to keep those sheets snow white, I don't use bleach, guys. I don't use bleach. This is my first product. It's a bluing liquid. It's called Mrs. Stewart's Liquid Bluing, whiten white clothes safely. So this is an alternative to bleach. You know how sometimes when you put bleach in your clothes, you wash your clothes and it gives it that yellow dingy tint? Even though your clothes are clean, bleach does tend to give it like a little yellowish tint to it. For my sheets, y'all, if you want to keep your sheets or even like a cotton shirt or something snow white, trust me on this one, use this. Now, don't do like I did. Don't just go, listen, it got directions on the back. Don't do like I did and just go squirting it in the washing machine. Because the first time I did that, I had some light blue sheets. They were no longer white. They were light blue. This, you want to put this in some water. And I use a large bowl. Sprinkle like 1/4 of a tablespoon. Don't use a lot, y'all, unless you're trying to change your whites to light blue. We're trying to keep it snow white, okay? So the idea here is to have the water like a sky blue color, but you don't want to put it directly in your wash. Use a large bowl. Put your desired amount of the amount that's recommended on the back. Don't do like I did, okay? Swirl it around, and you can either put it in your laundry while it's washing, or you can put it in a rinse cycle. I like to put mine in the rinse cycle. That way, it, you know, once it rinses, it doesn't rinse the bluing out of it. So I like to add mine to the rinse cycle. I add the water that I added to that large bowl to the rinse cycle. Game changer. Sheets stay snow white. Now let's keep it real. If it's time to change the sheets, no amount of bluing liquid, no amount of bleach is gonna keep them white. It's just time to throw them away. You can't keep the sheets forever, okay? Sometimes you gotta let it go and change the sheets, buy a new pair. But for the ones that are still good, still in good condition and still white, and you want to keep it white, this is the stuff for you, okay? Let's move on to the next product. My next product is going to be this Oxy. Matter of fact, I have two types of Oxy. This is Oxy, the tabs. This is the Oxy powder. Okay. Now, regular clothes, I like to use this. Just regular clothes. You can either add this to your detergent that you use already, just a sprinkle in your wash. I have children that wear khaki and white to school. Why would the school choose those colors for small kids? I don't know. But my kids wear khaki. I keep their khakis nice and clean with this Oxy, okay? The Oxy tabs I like to use in my towels. I also use white towels, guys. Love a good crisp white towel. So the bluing liquid, do not put that in your towels because your towel's gonna be light blue, okay? I said it, listen to somebody who made the mistake. The bluing liquid is good for cotton, that type of fabric. It's gonna keep those sheets nice, crisp, and white. But your towels, yeah, no. You want to go ahead and use a little Oxy, okay? I'm gonna link all this down below. I use this in my clothes. You can add this to the regular detergent, just a little sprinkle, just to get the stains out. This is like a stain removal. And I like to wash my towels with the tabs. Okay, let's keep it moving, y'all. Okay, so my next category is gonna be like cleaning the bathroom, cleaning your kitchen, cleaning your baseboards. Y'all, see this right here? See this? Game changer. Because I don't know about y'all, I'm 40 something. I'm 40 something. I don't want to break my back trying to clean my shower and my tub. I found this little handy dandy electric scrubbing brush. See how that spins? So it has the 2 speeds. It's rechargeable. It's good for like 60 minutes, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I would have to look back on Amazon because it don't take me 60 minutes to clean my shower, so I don't really know. But game changer. It has the detachable brushes. You can use the different kind of brushes. I like to use this particular brush for my shower and my tub, and then I'll go behind it with like the buffing style brush. It comes with different brushes. It has a long handle. You can extend the handle. I'm very tall, so I have my handle extended all the way out. You can extend the handle. It gets in all the crevices. It gets your shower so clean. In conjunction with this brush, I love to use this Clorox Ultra Foamer. This removes soap scum. It says in 1 wipe, but I don't know about the 1 wipe part because I use it with the brush. This right here, and I love the smell of Clorox. I know a lot of people don't, but baby, Clorox smell clean to me. It's giving your house is clean, okay? So I love to clean my shower and my tub with this, using this brush. Game changer. Now this is a new brush head. You can order replacement heads on Amazon. Again, I'll link it down below. I'll link this down below. I think this is a hit or miss for some people. There are different brands. Some people say they hate it. Some people say they like it. Either you like it or you love it or you hate it. Okay, so I love it. It's a game changer for me. When I'm done cleaning, my back don't feel broke using this as well. And yeah, it's easy. I mean, the idea is, let's keep our house clean. Well, let's not break our back doing it, y'all. If you're trying to keep a house clean behind children, your mate, your spouse, whoever, roommate, whoever you're cleaning up behind yourself. But let's work smarter, not harder, okay? We're gonna use this and let this do all the work, okay? I don't know about y'all, but see this right here? This is the best. You can argue with me if you want to. You can argue with me if you want to. This is the best glass cleaner on the market. I know we grew up on Windex. If you in the Windex era, comment down below. If you've used this before, hit the like button, okay? Because listen, this is the best glass cleaner. This is spray away. You can get this from Walmart, Target, or anywhere, but if you're anything like me, one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order everything off Amazon to keep me from having to go to the store. Now, if I have to, for groceries, I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna stick to the grocery section. Otherwise, I'm ordering from Amazon. This is leaving no streaks. It's leaving no spots. It's, how you brush your teeth, stuff splatter. This is a game changer. Spray away glass cleaner, y'all. I'll link it down below. Another Clorox item. I told y'all I love some Clorox. But if you have a pet, if you have carpet, this is for you. Let me put that a little closer so you can see it. Okay, screenshot that. If you have a pet, if you have carpet that a pet is on, if you have a child that wets the bed, you want to. This is Clorox urine remover, stain and odor. Y'all know pets or urine period leaves a stench. We're not gonna say odor, we're gonna say stench because that's a little worse. Y'all want to go ahead and get this. This gonna get it out. This is gonna get it out. This is gonna remove the odor from your mattress, from your carpet, from a pet, from a child. you know, you have a newborn baby that's peed on your couch or your sofa, you want to go ahead and use this. Let's get that. Let's get the urine smell out, okay? This is a game changer. I love this stuff. I love Clorox, and I have not seen this in the stores. But again, one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna order off Amazon if I don't do nothing else, because Amazon is where it's at. I'm gonna put this up close. Y'all screenshot that. Urine remover. It removes the urine stain and odor. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay guys, let's move on to cleaning our upholstery. Now, if you have light color furniture, dining room chairs, headboard, anything like that, it's so easy to get dirty, especially if you have children. If you entertain, I mean, guests, it's easy to waste something on. I'm almost embarrassed to show this machine, because baby, this machine done been through it. Me and this machine rocks. We rock. This is the Bissell Spot Clean Pro Heat. Now this says pet. This says it's the pet one. And I'm almost ashamed to show it, because it's dirty, because we get down. We get down, okay? It's dirty. So that's a disclaimer. The machine is dirty because I use it. But love it. If you're trying to clean your dining room chairs, you can clean your sofa, spot clean. You can clean your carpet, spot clean. But you can clean a full dining room chair or bench like I do with this machine. It allows you to fill one side up with water. You can squirt the water with this little thing. The brush allows you to scrub stains out. Amazing. I love this machine. I have light color dining room chairs. They get filthy. They get filthy. I love to use this. And guess what, y'all? You know those oxy tabs I showed you? I like to drop one of those in this machine. Drop an oxy tab in there. You don't want to put but one, because you don't want the water to be like too bubbly. But drop an oxy tab in there. You can clean your upholstery. Upholstery comes clean. Now, if it's red wine or something that you know is not going to be removed easily, you want to go ahead and get this. This is Folex. I've not seen this in the store either. This right here is miracle in a bottle for me. This is a miracle in a bottle. This is called Folex. It says carpet spot remover. Again, I have carpet upstairs. I don't have carpet downstairs. I do have an area rug that I get professionally cleaned, so I don't clean my area rug, but I do use this on my dining room chairs and bench. And I have a bench in my bedroom as well. Even you can use this on your headboard. Anything you're trying to get a spot out of. You can spray this Folex first on whatever you're cleaning. And then you use the Bissell machine. I'll link all this down below, because if you love to clean your upholstery, you love a nice clean home, this is a game changer. Okay, with the Bissell machine, put a little oxy in there, one of those tabs, baby. Listen, the dining room chair gonna come out looking brand new. The dining room chair gonna come out looking brand new with this. This is Folex. It says, again, it says carpet spot removal. You can spot clean your carpet with the machine and this Folex. Game changer. Okay. So my next item is gonna be this mop. It's the O-Cedar spin mop system. So this is the mop. It has a new mop head on it. I did that for the purpose of the video, because yes, I do use this mop. Okay, I had to put a new one on there, because if I would have left, listen, I'm already embarrassed to show it, because it's used. It gets used, so it's a little dirty. Okay, it gets used, so it's a little dirty. So I'm already embarrassed to show it. But this is the O-Cedar spin mop, and I have the bucket here. Hold up, let me grab it. This is the bucket. All right, so this is the O-Cedar spin mop system and bucket. What I like to do with this is I like to boil. You want to boil, because we like to mop with hot steaming water. You want to boil, use some water. All right, let it cool off just a little bit. Not scalding. We're not gonna scald ourselves. You want to boil you a little water. Sometimes I drop a dishwasher tab in the water. Well, most times I drop a dishwasher tab in the water. a little Fabulosa, Pine Sol, or whatever you want to use as for your fragrance. But baby, this mop gonna get it done. This mop gonna get it done every time. Also, you can clean your baseboards with this. While you're mopping, go ahead and go over your baseboards, because who hates it? I hate a dirty baseboard. Mine need a good cleaning right now. I'm about ready to hire somebody to do it, because get somebody else to do it. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of cleaning the baseboards, but it got to get done. So yeah, this is the O-Cedar spin mop system. You can also order replaceable mop heads, like I put one on here for the purpose of the video, because again, the other one was used, old and dirty. You want to change them off. You want to change them out maybe every other time you use it. Now, you don't have to do it every time, but you can order the replacement mop heads on Amazon. I will link them down below. And yeah, guys, let's keep those floors clean. Let's keep that house clean, smelling good. It just makes you feel so much better when your atmosphere is clean. And when you're mopping your floor, don't you hate, even with your own footprints, you're mopping and you got to walk over it and you tracking your own footprints, or somebody come behind you. We're not doing that. I got these off Amazon, y'all. These are little foot mops. Little foot mops. You put these on your feet, and guess what? When you're mopping, you won't track no footprints. You're gonna have a nice, clean, smooth mop. Nice, clean, smooth floor. No footprints, no traction, none of that. Put these on your feet, over your shoe. We don't wear shoes in my house, so when I'm mopping, quite naturally, we have on socks or bare feet. So I put this on my feet while I'm mopping, and you won't leave any tracks. This is a game changer too, y'all. These come in a pack of, I think 5. A pack of 5. They have different colors. They have the blue. I got pink here. I think orange, green, and yellow. Something like that. Anyway, the color doesn't matter. As long as they work, and they do. Put them on your feet while you're mopping. You won't leave any traction, any footprints, any of that. So yeah, this is another thing, okay, that I like to order off Amazon for cleaning purposes, to keep my house nice and, tidy, okay? All right, guys. So those are just a few items that I like to use, keep in heavy rotation in my home, to keep it nice and clean, nice and functional, nice and tidy, nice and sanitized for me and my family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments, do you guys use any of these products? Have you tried them? Are you going to try them after seeing this video? So thank you guys so much for joining me on this video today. I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit that subscribe button and check out these 2 videos right here before you head out. Bye, guys.